Hi there, and welcome to our BA Solutions training series. Today, I will be showing you how to add a network video recorder on the Ivms 4200 software. Before we begin, please do well to subscribe to this channel. And if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash the like button. Without wasting any more time, come along and let's begin. On the Ivms 4200 software, there are a few points to note. 1. The software must be downloaded and installed on your PC. 2. The IP address of the NVR and PC must be in the same IP domain. On your PC, locate and double-click on the Ivms 4200 icon to load the software, and wait a while as it loads. When it opens, locate the Device Management tab, and click on it to open. There are two ways to add a device from this point. The first way is by clicking the Add tab at the top right corner of the screen, then entering the details as shown. The name you want to give the device, the IP address of the device, the username and password assigned to the device. After entering this, click the Add button to add the device. Alternatively, you could click on the Online Devices tab to reveal all the devices identified on the network. Your NVR will be displayed below the screen. Select it, and click the Add button on the lower right corner of the screen. Then enter the details of the NVR, that is, the name you want to assign to the NVR, the username of the NVR, and the password of the NVR, then click Add to add the NVR. Voila! And there you have it. Finally, you can select the Main View tab from the control panel to view the cameras. If configured, the encryption code must be entered before you can view the cameras on the NVR. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.